And with today being the 4th of July, prepare for lots of fireworks. The Douglas County Health Department says while they are a holiday staple, they do pose a risk to people sensitive to air pollution. The department warns fireworks will likely result in high concentrations of smoke and pollutants, so those with asthma and heart or other lung diseases may have trouble breathing. If you are at risk, you're encouraged to avoid being outside for too long. The health department says tonight and tomorrow morning are the peak times of concern.